Real success comes from giving, not having. When we share, we find true peace and happiness. Aisha was born into a humble family in a small village. Life was simple yet full of challenges. Growing up, she learned from her parents the value of hard work, kindness, and the power of sharing. From a young age, Aisha was always the first to offer her food to others, be it her siblings, neighbors, or even a stranger in need. This act of sharing, which seemed small to many, became a defining feature of her life. When Aisha got married, she moved into a joint family where resources were often scarce. Despite the financial constraints, Aisha made sure that her home was a place of generosity. She would prepare meals with whatever little they had and ensure that not just her family but anyone who visited was fed. Her philosophy was simple: there's always enough to share, even when times were tough. She believed that giving a part of what she had brought unseen blessings. As the years went by, Aisha's home became known in the community as a place of warmth and comfort. People came to her not just for food, but for the peace and kindness she radiated. Her ability to give selflessly made her feel richer than those who had much more. She would often say, "Success is not about how much you accumulate, but how much you give away." Aisha became the richest woman in town with her own thriving factory, all built on the foundation of giving and kindness. Thanks.